So you want to download a video from YouTube, you just go ahead and find your video. Here's Ultimate Cat and Dog Videos Funniest Pets. To download your video, you just click on this little button right here, download, and then this will pop up. You can choose high or standard, doesn't matter. If you have YouTube Premium, this will just automatically let you download here under YouTube's guidelines. If you do not have it, you can click on Get YouTube Premium and go ahead and download this for the small fee of $15.01 per month, or in some cases it'll give you a free trial for 1 month, and that way you could do it for free, but then after that your subscription will be renewed on that day of the next month. Another free alternative would be to go to your desktop and type in YouTube to desktop download. Here's a great option right here. You just click on this link. Pulls up this website. You can download this external app for Windows, Mac, or Linux, and then you'll be able to do it for free through this app as well. If you like the video, give it a like. Please subscribe for more, and thank you.